Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm going to teach you how to sing and strum When Irish Eyes Are Smiling. This song is a St. Patrick's Day song that was covered by Bing Crosby. When Irish Eyes Are Smiling has 6 chords. We're going to use a C, a G7, an F, an A7, a D7, and a C7. The song is in 3/4 time. The strumming pattern I'm using is down, down, up, down. And each measure has that. So it's down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. When you're first learning it, you can go down, down, down. Hope you enjoy it. When Irish eyes are smiling, sure 'tis like a morning spring, and the lilt of Irish laughter, you can hear the angels sing. When Irish eyes are happy, all the world seems bright and gay, and when Irish eyes are smiling, sure they steal your heart away. If you like this video, please press like or leave a comment below. Visit ukulele.io to get free sheet music emailed to you. You can also purchase one of our books on Amazon, where we teach you the skills you need to learn this and other songs. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button to get notifications about our weekly lesson uploads.